Breastfeeding is a beautiful way to nourish and bond with your baby. A good latch is essential for a positive breastfeeding experience. When your baby latches well, they can effectively extract milk from your breast. This ensures they receive the nutrients they need to grow and thrive. A proper latch also helps prevent sore nipples for you. This is important so breastfeeding can be enjoyable for both you and your baby. A deep, comfortable latch is key to successful breastfeeding. This means your baby takes a large portion of the areola, the dark area around your nipple, into their mouth. This deep latch helps to draw your nipple far back into their mouth, where it is softer and more comfortable. When your baby latches well, you will notice they have rounded cheeks and are sucking rhythmically. You should hear them swallowing milk. A good latch means your baby is feeding effectively and getting enough milk. It also means you are less likely to experience pain or discomfort. If you are struggling with latch difficulties, know that you are not alone. Many mothers experience challenges in the early days of breastfeeding. Remember to be patient with yourself and your baby as you both learn. Support is available to help you overcome any obstacles and achieve a comfortable and rewarding breastfeeding experience. Finding a comfortable breastfeeding position is crucial for both you and your baby. When you are relaxed and your baby is well supported, breastfeeding becomes a more enjoyable experience. There are several different breastfeeding positions that you can try. Experiment to find the positions that work best for you and your baby. The cradle hold is a traditional breastfeeding position where you cradle your baby in the crook of your arm with their head resting in the bend of your elbow. Their tummy should be touching yours. This is a great position to use once you and your baby have gotten the hang of latching. The cross cradle hold is similar to the cradle hold, but you use the opposite arm to support your baby. This position gives you more control over your baby's head and can be helpful in the early days of breastfeeding. It allows you to guide their latch more effectively. The football hold is another popular option, especially for mothers who have had a cesarean birth or those with larger breasts. In this position, you tuck your baby under your arm with their legs extending behind you like a football. This hold can be more comfortable as it puts less pressure on your abdomen. Getting a good latch can sometimes feel tricky. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you and your baby achieve a proper latch. First, get comfortable. Find a comfortable position for both you and your baby. Use pillows for support if needed. Ensure your baby is well supported and their head is in line with your breast. Next, support your breast. Hold your breast with your free hand, using a C hold or a U hold. Place your thumb on top of your breast and your fingers underneath, far back from the areola. This helps to create a sandwich of breast tissue that your baby can latch onto more easily. Then, encourage your baby to open wide. Tickle your baby's lips gently with your nipple. This will encourage them to open their mouth wide like a yawn. This is called rooting. When your baby opens wide, quickly bring them to your breast, aiming your nipple towards the roof of their mouth. Ensure they take a large portion of the areola into their mouth, not just the nipple itself. Finally, listen for swallowing sounds. Once your baby is latched, listen for swallowing sounds. You should hear soft gulping noises as they drink your milk. Knowing the signs of a good latch is crucial to ensuring your baby is feeding effectively and you are comfortable. Here are some key indicators that your baby has achieved a proper latch-rounded cheeks. Your baby's cheeks should look full and rounded while they are sucking. This indicates that they are using the correct muscles to draw milk from your breast. Gentle sucking. Your baby's sucks should be strong and rhythmic at first, then slow down as they become full. You may notice pauses in their sucking as they swallow. Swallowing sounds. You should be able to hear your baby swallowing milk. This sound is often described as a soft caw or ah sound. Section 5. Common latching. Challenges and solutions. Latching challenges are common in the early days of breastfeeding. Here are some common issues and tips to help you overcome them. If your baby only latches onto your nipple, it can lead to pain and ineffective milk transfer. To fix this, try to encourage your baby to open wider before bringing them to your breast. Use your finger to gently pull down on their chin to help them gape. If your baby's body is not in alignment with yours, it can make it difficult for them to latch and feed effectively. Make sure your baby's nose is in line with your nipple and their body is turned towards you, tummy to tummy. When your breasts become overly full, it can make it difficult for your baby to latch. To help, try expressing a small amount of milk before breastfeeding to soften your breasts. This will make it easier for your baby to latch onto the areola. Section 6. Seeking help from a lactation consultant. If you are experiencing persistent latch difficulties or pain while breastfeeding, don't hesitate to seek help from a certified lactation consultant. These healthcare professionals specialize in breastfeeding support. They can provide personalized guidance and help you address any challenges you may be facing. A lactation consultant can assess your baby's latch, provide hands-on assistance with positioning and latch techniques, and offer tailored advice based on your individual needs. They can also help you identify any underlying issues, such as tongue tie, that may be contributing to latch difficulties. Remember that breastfeeding is a learned skill for both you and your baby. It's perfectly normal to need extra support along the way. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Section 7. Maintaining a pain-free breastfeeding journey. Breastfeeding should be a positive and pain-free experience. Here are some tips to help you maintain comfort throughout your breastfeeding journey. Applying purified lanolin cream to your nipples after each feeding can help soothe and protect them. Lanolin is a natural moisturizer that is safe for both you and your baby. Applying warm compresses to your breasts before breastfeeding can help to encourage milk flow and soften the breast tissue, making it more comfortable for your baby to latch. As we've discussed, ensuring your baby has a good latch is crucial for pain-free breastfeeding. If you experience pain during feeding, gently break the latch and try again. Section 8. The benefits of a good latch for your baby. A good latch is not only beneficial for you, but also for your baby's overall health and well-being. When your baby latches well, they can effectively extract milk from your breast, ensuring they receive an adequate amount of milk to satisfy their hunger and support their growth. A proper latch promotes better digestion for your baby. It helps regulate the flow of milk, reducing the likelihood of gas, spitting up, or colic. Breastfeeding releases hormones like oxytocin, which promotes bonding and attachment between you and your baby. A comfortable breastfeeding experience enhances this special bond. Section 9. The importance of skin-to-skin contact. Skin-to-skin contact, also known as kangaroo care, is incredibly beneficial for both you and your baby. It involves holding your baby directly on your bare chest, allowing for close physical contact. Skin-to-skin contact helps to regulate your baby's temperature, heart rate, and breathing. It also releases hormones that promote bonding and relaxation. For breastfeeding, it encourages your baby's natural feeding instincts. Make skin-to-skin contact a regular part of your routine. It's a beautiful way to connect with your baby and foster a strong breastfeeding relationship. Section 10. Trusting your instincts. As a new mother, it's natural to question yourself and your abilities. Remember that you have an innate ability to nourish and care for your baby. Trust your instincts and listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to seek help from a healthcare professional or a lactation consultant. They are there to support you and guide you on your breastfeeding journey. Every mother and baby is different. What works for one may not work for another. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and celebrate the small victories along the way. Section 11. Embracing the journey of motherhood. Motherhood is a transformative journey filled with joys and challenges. Breastfeeding is just one aspect of this experience. Embrace the ups and downs, seek support when needed, and cherish the bond you share with your little one. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, and healthcare professionals. Together, you can navigate the challenges and celebrate the rewards of motherhood. Congratulations on this new chapter in your life. Trust yourself, trust your baby, and embrace the incredible journey of motherhood.